Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Last time we saw how khichdi is prepared. Now we are going to see how tomato chutney, a very important side dish of khichdi, is going to be prepared. Here I have taken half kg of tomatoes. I have washed them and cut them into medium sized pieces. It is not necessary to cut tomatoes into very small or fine pieces because anyway we have to make paste of those things. Now we have to cook these tomato pieces for about 10 minutes at low flames by covering the bowl with the lid. Now after the tomatoes are cooked, we have to cool them under the fan for about 10 minutes. Now after the tomatoes are cooled, we have to make paste of it. That is the reason we have cooled them, because we can't make a paste of hot tomatoes because they may push the lid off of the mixie jar. Now we have to take all the spices required for seasoning of the tomato chutney. After making puree of those cooked tomatoes, we have to do the seasoning, and we have to keep all these spices ready before we start seasoning, because if we heat the oil and while the oil is getting heated, then we take out these spices, we may risk the seasoning getting burnt. The spices which I have taken are 1 teaspoonful of cumin seeds, 5 dried red chilies, a few curry leaves, 2 teaspoonfuls of garlic ginger paste, 1.5 teaspoonfuls of chili powder, 1 teaspoonful each for cumin seed powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Now for seasoning we have to heat the bowl and add 2 tablespoonfuls of cooking oil. When the oil gets heated, we have to add cumin seeds. When the cumin seeds start to become brown, then we have to add curry leaves and red chilies. Please notice the sequence in which the spices are being added here, because I am adding cumin seeds first, and then after the cumin seeds become half brown, then I will add red chilies and curry leaves, because if you add red chilies first, they get charred. So it is important to follow this sequence in adding the spices. When the red chilies start to get fried, that is when they start to become red, then we have to add all other spices. Now that the cumin seeds, red chilies and curry leaves are fried, we have to add all other spices like cumin powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder and chili powder. Now after sauteing all these things for few minutes, we have to add the tomato paste to it. now the sauteing is done. Now we have to add the tomato paste and mix it all and reduce the flame and put the lid on and cook it at low flames for about 10 minutes. Viewers, the tomato chutney is ready now and it is ready to be served with the khichdi. You can add salt to taste. Viewers, you can see the different side dishes for khichdi. They are papad, tomato chutney, khatta and keema. In the next video, we will see how khatta is prepared. Khatta in fact is prepared in 3 different ways as side dish for khichdi. Please like, share and subscribe and also press bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.